roadside stop here, all different types of food cooking in there. Everything smells good, nice and warm. It's warm, it's cold up here. It's cold, you can see the fire underneath it there too.
Tamales. And that's the oven for the cheese bread.
Where the cheese bread is, right here. That's where cheese bread is being made back in there. He's got it inside of there. There it comes out. Whoa, whoa, look at that. All right, we're on good old number 16 here. We're going to go around here. We're going to take a look at this. A beautiful machine here. It's all in there. It's got a fire extinguisher in there. It's got doors. It's got wheels. You know, it's got a front. It's got a back. It's got seats. Oh, it's got a rear in it. Oh, thanks for putting my bag. I didn't leave you holding that there, but thank you. It's got a tiger in the back. It's got a parrot, and it looks like a penguin. And we got religious stuff on there. I think we did all right there. So, all right. All right, we're inside the Tuk-Tuk. There's all the master controls of everything that's going to be going on here. I think we have brakes. We'll find out here. So yeah, we got fringe. Fringe is always good. It's always good to have a little bit of fringe in here. Multicolor ceiling. Feels warm too from the sun up there. Yeah, all right. We're doing good here. Okay, in the Tuk-Tuk. Here we go. Yeah, on our way. It's like a shotgun start here. Kind of like the Indianapolis 500 here. Everybody jockeying for positions. We're going out here. We got everything here. Okay, there he is. There he is. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Okay, we're running down people and everything here. We're in a line, in a group here. So here we go. Okay, there's the lake over there. Okay, we're turning up here. We're going up the road here. Here we go. Here we go. Going up here. Oh, nice park for Christmas. Yeah, all decorated. Very nice. Oh, we got the guys delivering here. Here's the park. Yeah. Okay. Oh, my friends. Oh, hey, we got somebody to wave here. All right. Hello, ladies. Oh, bye-bye. Oh, bye. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, must be something going on over there. Yeah. Okay. We're going down the streets with all the different things here. Hello, hello. Hello, ladies. How are you? Bye-bye, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Give me a wave, wave, all right. Okay. Hey, gentlemen, how you doing? Buenos dias. We got all kinds of shops here, the big ones here too. It's known as the town of Zocalos since its drawings on the facade. Yeah, I know. On the side of the house there. See? Yeah. Good. Oh, you got lots of magnets here. Get some good souvenirs. Hello, ladies. Hello. Buenos dias. Oh, there's a nice one there. There's a guy on a motorcycle with a helmet on there, too. So, yeah. Nice shops here. Pretty nice shops. A lot of variety. Oh, a lot of variety. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There's little things here. We got a little doggy down here. Look at these doors here, all painted up nice when they're closed up. Oh, a big dog there.
El Zócalo es hecho directo en la pared, lo hacen de cemento y arena, algunas veces utilizan el yeso.
The baseboard is made directly on the wall. They make it from cement and sand. Sometimes they use plaster there. Okay. Gracias. So a little mix of everything here. Holds up pretty good there. Still going down the street here, cobblestones, beautiful reliefs that they have here with all the giraffes on that one. Very nice, very colorful. Even the grates, the beautiful iris. Yeah, motorcycle. Oh yeah, more of them up there. We're back on the main street here. Okay, we're turning now, going up another street, another side street. Ah, Guatape, yes, up there. All right. Really nice flowers on this one here. Wow, look at that. And they have the names of them down at the bottom too there. Orchids, yeah. Really did a nice job on that. And they're all raised up too. Yeah, Christmas lights on them. Yeah, okay. Turning down the street here. All right, more here too. Okay, yeah. Yeah, very nice, very nice. A school, yeah, right, with all the books there. Yeah, that's a school here. Okay. Well, we were last in line before. Now they got turned around, so we're like the second in line here. So I don't know, we may be heading back to where we started from. But we're going to be able to walk around here later on and go in all these shops, do some shopping and whatnot, and we're going to have lunch here later on in the day too. So yeah, all right. I'm going to cross a little bridge here, a little square. Yeah, very nice. I got a little soccer field or football field here. Yeah, football. Yeah. A little playground for the kids. It's fixed up very nicely, very nice. Oh, look at that big helicopter there. Well, they had helicopter tours. This is where all the Bloods and the Crips hang out, I guess, here. So, got all the motorcycles there. Yeah. Oh, hello. Nice hairdo on that guy, yeah. Dropping off the eggs. We're back in the square here we passed earlier, fixing all up for Christmas time. I remember passing this truck earlier. So yeah. Okay. Yeah, there's the same ladies. They're the same ones here. Yeah. Oh, something going on here. It's a group, another busload of people there. Hello. Afternoon, gentlemen. Buenos dias. Buenos dias. thank goodness the rain has held off here since it's nice and dry now here, although it's still overcast, but it's always good to be dry.
Your name? Yes. So welcome. Good morning. His name is Ignacio Suarez, but he's also known as Nacho. People everybody who's called Ignacio, we call them Nacho. And as you can see in the bottom, that's his signature, right? Nacho. He's one of the Zocaleros in town.
Ya dieron la vuelta.
Dimos la vuelta.
Bueno, como ya dieron la vuelta a las motos, se han podido notar que casi todo el pueblo tiene estas decoraciones. Estas decoraciones tienen un motivo por el cual se fundamentó acá.
All right. So you've seen, because we already did this tuk-tuk ride, as we were walking, exploring the town, you saw all of these beautiful pieces that we were explaining. They are called Zocalos, right, with a Z, Zocalos. And that is the identity of this beautiful town, is the base of this beautiful town, right?
La idea de hacer estas decoraciones en las paredes era rescatar una cultura que se estaba perdiendo y que fundamenta un patrimonio, una identidad del pueblo.
All right, so they started creating these pieces. The very first piece was created, a while ago, but then they started remaking all of these pieces to try to recover that part of the important tradition and identity of the town. They didn't want to, lose it completely.
Bueno, entrando en materia, les comento que el Zócalo, ustedes se podrán dar cuenta, en cualquier parte del mundo existe el Zócalo. Simplemente que nosotros acá, el Zócalo, le dimos una identidad. Por eso decimos que el Zócalo en Guatape es una identidad cultural del dueño o viviente de la casa.
All right, so then the word Zócalo refers to baseboard or skirting board, right? It's just this little piece of tile that every house has that's at the base of the wall to protect the walls. So it's in different parts of Colombia, right? But in here in Guatape is the only place where they've kind of like evolved that piece, that element, into a larger piece that is primarily located in the facades of the houses, right? And that Nacho is saying, and it's so important in part of their identity because they're actually trying to tell a story through those zocalos, which means that the owner of the house or the establishment can imprint their identity into this zocalo, right?
We're going to the square here. All right. There's a big one on the wall here that's very detailed and a lot of raised relief and everything on there, so that's pretty good. But we're going down the steps here, so we gotta watch our step here. Oh, $0 here. Okay. This is the church here. We're going to try to go inside here in a minute. This is where we're going to have to meet. And you got different reliefs on there coming over here. And we're going to try to enter on the right side over here. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go in here.
No.
And I'm going to take my right foot. Walking down the street here, right in the middle of the street. I hope nobody's in back of me here. A lot of different shops and everything in here. So this was the town that the Amazing Race was at last year. So yeah, all right. Well, walking down the street here, get some more magnets here. Different ones, I got a few. So see if I see any different ones at the other place. But if you look up here, that's where we came from, way up there. Now we're going to come down on this side here with all the different shops.